Let's start with a simple truth. Many men, at some point in their lives, notice their energy and vitality begin to fade. It might be gradual, or it might feel sudden, but it's a reality that's more common than you might think. You may find yourself wondering where that spark went, or why you don't feel as driven or enthusiastic as you once did. This is a shared experience, yet it's rarely talked about openly. The silence around these changes can make you feel like you're the only one struggling, as if you're isolated in your challenges. But the truth is, countless men are quietly facing the same questions and concerns. You are not alone. Millions of men, from all walks of life, are searching for ways to reclaim their strength, confidence, and sense of purpose. There's a powerful community out there even if you can't always see it. Low energy, a dip in libido, or performance issues aren't personal failures. They're signals from your body that something needs attention. These signs are your body's way of communicating that it's time to pause, reflect, and make some changes. Think of these signals as a call to action, not a life sentence. They're not the end of your story, but the beginning of a new chapter, one where you take charge of your health and well-being. The good news is, your body has an incredible ability to heal and restore itself when given the right tools and support. With the right approach, you can feel better, stronger, and more vibrant than you have in years. This guide is here to empower you. We'll walk you through simple, natural steps that can help boost your vitality and overall health. You'll learn practical strategies that fit into your daily life, no matter how busy you are. It's not about quick fixes or miracle cures. Instead, we'll focus on sustainable changes, small shifts that add up to lasting benefits, so you can build a foundation for lifelong wellness. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed, confident, and strong, not just in the gym, but in every aspect of your daily life. Picture yourself moving through your day with renewed energy and a sense of purpose. The path to renewed vitality isn't about making huge changes overnight. It's built on small, consistent steps, habits that you can stick with day after day until they become second nature. We'll explore the 4 pillars of well-being: nourishing food, regular movement, quality sleep, and effective stress management. Each one plays a crucial role in helping you feel your best. Remember, you have the power to change how you feel. With the right knowledge and support, you can become the best version of yourself, stronger, healthier, and more confident. So let's begin this journey together. You're not alone, and together we'll uncover what's behind these feelings and how you can take positive steps forward. To solve a problem, you must first understand its cause. Low vitality in men is rarely due to just one thing. It's often a mix of chronic stress, poor diet, aging, and inactivity. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, disrupting testosterone and draining your energy. A diet high in processed foods and sugars leads to inflammation and hormonal imbalance. Aging naturally lowers testosterone, but poor lifestyle choices can speed up this decline. A sedentary lifestyle, sitting all day, contributes to weight gain, poor circulation, and muscle loss. Your body was designed to move. Physical activity is essential for hormone regulation and energy. The good news, you can slow down these effects by making healthier choices daily. Understanding these root causes is the first step to taking back control of your health. You're not powerless. Small changes can make a big difference. Let's explore how to fuel your body right. What you eat is one of the most powerful tools for transforming your vitality. Focus on adding nutrient-dense foods, colorful vegetables, fruits, and quality proteins to your meals. Protein is crucial for building and maintaining muscle, supporting metabolism, and hormone health. Include lean meats, fatty fish, eggs, legumes, and nuts for essential amino acids. Healthy fats are vital for hormone production. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats support testosterone, reduce inflammation, and keep you satisfied. Hydration matters. Even mild dehydration can sap your energy and focus. Make water your main drink and cut back on sugary drinks and excess alcohol. Sugar and alcohol can disrupt hormones and sleep, draining your vitality. Every healthy meal is a deposit into your future energy and well-being. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Your body is built for movement, but modern life keeps us sitting. Exercise is medicine for your mind and body, boosting blood flow, metabolism, and energy. Resistance training, weights, bands, or bodyweight exercises naturally boost testosterone and builds muscle. Just 2 to 3 sessions a week can make a big difference. Cardio, walking, jogging, cycling improves heart health and stamina. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a time-efficient way to boost fitness and hormones. Add more movement to your day. Take the stairs, walk at lunch, stretch at your desk. Small, consistent actions counteract a sedentary lifestyle. Movement should feel like a celebration, not a chore. Invest in your vitality by making movement a daily habit. Next, let's talk about the power of sleep. Sleep is the foundation of health, yet it's often the first thing we sacrifice when life gets busy. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to think of sleep as optional, something we can cut back on to get more done. But the truth is, sleep is as vital as food, water, and exercise for your body and mind to function at their best. During sleep, your body repairs itself on a cellular level, your brain processes memories and emotions, and your hormones, including testosterone, are balanced and regulated. This nightly reset is essential for muscle growth, immune function, and mental clarity. Skimping on sleep doesn't just make you tired, it lowers your energy, dampens your mood, and can even reduce your sex drive. Over time, lack of sleep can make it harder to concentrate, sap your motivation, and leave you feeling drained before the day even begins. Chronic sleep loss creates a cycle of stress and low vitality. When you're not well rested, everyday challenges feel bigger, and your ability to cope with stress takes a hit. This can lead to a downward spiral, making it even harder to get the rest you need. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful ways to restore your energy, boost your mood, and reclaim your drive. A good night's sleep helps you wake up feeling refreshed, motivated, and ready to take on the day. Set a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body clock. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps your body know when it's time to wind down and when it's time to rise. Create a relaxing wind-down routine. Try reading, listening to calming music, or gentle stretching before bed. These habits signal to your brain that it's time to slow down and prepare for restful sleep. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Keep screens out to avoid blue light. The right environment can make falling and staying asleep much easier. Even small improvements in sleep can have a big impact on how you feel, think, and perform. Better sleep means more energy, sharper focus, and a brighter outlook on life. Treat sleep as a non-negotiable part of your health routine. Make it a priority, just like you would with nutrition or exercise, and you'll notice the difference in every area of your life. Better sleep means better energy, mood, and vitality. It's the secret weapon for a healthier, happier you. Now, let's tackle stress, the silent thief of men's health. Managing stress is essential for reclaiming your vitality. Stress is a silent thief, draining your vitality day by day. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, suppressing testosterone and sexual function. When your body is always on alert, libido and performance take a hit. Managing stress isn't optional, it's essential for men's health. Use your breath. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat to calm your system. Mindfulness or meditation, even for 5 minutes a day, builds resilience. Schedule regular downtime, nature walks, hobbies, or time with loved ones. Find what helps you disconnect and recharge. Protecting your peace is a critical part of a healthy, vital life. Next, let's talk about the power of connection and communication. Emotional and social well-being are just as important as diet and exercise. Men are often taught to be silent and strong, but bottling up struggles only increases stress and isolation. True strength is being open and honest, especially with your partner. Sharing your feelings transforms problems into shared challenges, building intimacy and support. Connection with other men is vital. Talking with friends or family normalizes your experience. A support network provides encouragement and perspective. Make time for important people and be willing to start tough conversations. Being real with others is a sign of strength, not weakness. Human connection is a powerful buffer against stress and boosts your overall well-being. Don't underestimate its impact on your vitality. Lifestyle changes are powerful, but sometimes you need professional help. If symptoms persist or are severe, consult your doctor for tests and guidance. Medical issues like diabetes or thyroid problems can mimic low vitality. Get checked. Mental health matters too. A therapist can help with stress, anxiety, or relationship issues. Seeking help is a sign of wisdom and self-respect, not failure. Think of professionals as part of your health team, supporting your journey. Combining expert advice with healthy habits is the best strategy for lasting vitality. We've covered why men lose vitality, how stress, poor sleep, and unhealthy habits can slowly chip away at your energy and drive. But knowledge is only the first step. What truly matters is how you use that knowledge to reclaim your health, one day at a time, with intention and purpose. The key message is this: you're in control. Even if you've struggled before, small, consistent steps can create powerful change over time. Every positive choice adds up. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to change everything at once. Instead, pick 1 or 2 habits that feel manageable and meaningful to you. Maybe you swap a sugary snack for nuts and fruit, or take a short walk after dinner to clear your mind and boost your mood. Or perhaps you leave your phone out of the bedroom, giving yourself the gift of restful, uninterrupted sleep. Celebrate these small wins. They build momentum, boost your confidence, and make healthy habits easier to stick with. Remember the 4 pillars: eat real, nourishing food, move your body regularly, prioritize quality sleep, and manage stress with intention. These are the foundations of lasting vitality. Improving just one pillar can lift the others. Better food gives you more energy to move, and regular movement helps you sleep deeper and handle stress better. Each healthy choice creates a ripple effect, improving your sleep, your mood, and your resilience to life's challenges. Your health is your greatest asset, the foundation for everything else you want to achieve and experience in life. When you invest in your well-being, you show up stronger for your family, your work, and your passions. Taking charge of your health is a lifelong journey, a commitment to self-care, growth, and self-respect. Start today with one small choice that honors your health. Drink a glass of water, stretch for 5 minutes, or simply pause to breathe deeply. You deserve to feel strong, energetic, and confident in your body and mind. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the power to make it happen, one step at a time. Your journey back to vitality begins now with your very next step. The path is yours to walk. Start today.